बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी। हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो। हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी। हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो।
I, Aiden Buzz, would like to say a few words to our loving teacher Indira. No one can say goodbye to a teacher like you. You have been more than a friend, a mentor and a guide. You have dedicated yourself to educating students to make their future bright. And now it's time to sit, relax and watch those seeds you planted to grow. You did everything to help your students shine. We will miss you and the time spent with you. Thank you, teacher. May good luck and success always be with you ahead. May God bless you.
पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा